Today's consumers expect 24/7 service from your business, and providing that can be difficult and challenging in making sure you have a great brand reputation, a team that isn't working around the clock, and the appropriate customer support. Hi, I'm Samantha Cunningham Zawilinski, and this week on Hard Facts, we're talking about a way you can provide 24/7 chat support to your customer base. These days, customers expect instant gratification when dealing with your business, and you've likely experienced a business not supplying this experience to yourself. I mean, have you ever reached out to support or customer service and been left with crickets, whether it have been on chat or email? That is not the experience you want to leave customers with when engaging with your business, which is why over 100,000 businesses have engaged chatbots to help their customer experience. Chatbots allow you to provide real-time answers to consumers, whether it's frequently asked questions or info about a specific product or service. Essentially, chatbots utilize machine learning to provide a human-like response to an inquiry. And the way this is set up is by setting up and identifying a string of keywords that then determine the response the chatbot will provide, giving a 24/7 support structure to your online engagement. According to Neil Patel, over 77% of consumers have an improved perception of businesses after chatting with them online. So let's talk about a few chatbots that you can dive deeper into, seeing if they fit the need of your business. There's a few out there that I would recommend that have free trials for you to jump in and see if this is the best tool for your business. Here are a couple on screen that I'd recommend jumping into. Have you ever been doing research on YouTube for a product or service and been served a video that you didn't realize until 4 minutes later that you were actually watching an ad? That's an example of a great video pre-roll, and here at POTRATZ, we offer those services as well. If you go to YouTube and you're doing research just like your customers are, but you're not running any video ads, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to drive interest and traffic to your product. If you've got questions on video pre-roll or types of pre-roll that you could use for your business, give us a call or shoot us an email with the information on screen. We'd love to have a one-on-one conversation about how pre-roll can help you grow. ManyChat and MobileMonkey both offer free trials. A few other softwares to take a look at are Chatty People, FlowXO, and BeepBoop. These are a few of the many chatbots out there that may provide the solution you're looking for. One big thing is to take a look at how much personal development you'll need to put into the tool. Additionally, you want to see what platforms they'll be able to syndicate across, if it is just a Facebook product or if they integrate with other softwares. This is going to be a big difference between each of the tools out there, as well as the investment you're willing to make financially, of course. But each chatbot provides a different solution based on what your business needs are. So take a look at the multiple providers in the space and find the best one for your business. But a small investment on a monthly basis can reduce your overhead, your staffing needs, and increase your customer service experience. So I hope you'll take this hard facts and put it into practice. If you got a tool you have loved, feel free to comment below and let our audience learn from your experience. Also, if you have a question or comment for an upcoming Hard Facts, I'd love to hear from you.